Hello, in this video, we will discuss in detail the concept of combinations in mathematics, which is an important part of counting techniques and probability. A combination is a method used to determine the number of possible ways to select a number of items from a larger group without considering the order of selection. This means that the arrangement or sequence of the chosen items does not affect the result. In other words, combinations focus only on which items are selected, not on how they are arranged. For example, selecting students A, B, and C is considered exactly the same as selecting C, B, and A. Since the order does not matter, both selections are counted as one single combination. This concept is what distinguishes combinations from permutations. In permutations, the order of arrangement is important, whereas in combinations it is not. To calculate combinations, we use the following formula. NCR equals n factorial divided by open parenthesis, r factorial times open parenthesis, n minus r close parenthesis factorial close parenthesis. In this formula, n represents the total number of items available, while r represents the number of items to be selected. The symbol factorial, written as an exclamation mark, refers to the product of a number multiplied consecutively by all positive integers below it down to 1. For example, 5 factorial, written as 5 factorial, is equal to 5 multiplied by 4, then 3, then 2, and finally 1, which results in 120. Now, to better understand this concept, let us consider a practical example. Suppose there are 10 students in a class, and we want to choose 3 students to represent the class in a competition. The question is, how many different groups of 3 students can be formed? To solve this problem, we first identify the values. The total number of students is 10, so n equals 10, and the number of students to be selected is 3, so r equals 3. Next, we substitute these values into the combination formula. C10(3) equals 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 7 factorial. We then simplify the expression by reducing the factorial terms. The term 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial can be simplified into 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8. So the expression becomes 10 times 9 times 8 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. After performing the calculation, we obtain 720 divided by 6, which equals 120. Therefore, there are 120 different ways to select 3 students from a group of 10 students. In conclusion, combinations are used in situations where the order of selection does not matter. This concept is highly useful and widely applied in real-life situations, such as forming teams, selecting committee members, organizing groups, and solving probability problems in a structured and efficient way. By understanding combinations, we can approach selection problems more systematically and accurately. Thank you for your attention.